Okay, welcome back guys sa Nerbeats Gaming. So, ngayong araw guys, maglalaro po tayo ng Control sa ating Steam Deck. At syempre, kung wala ka pang Steam Deck or Nintendo Switch, available po sa atin. Free games na po. So, tara, new game po tayo.
I know I shut you out sometimes. I'm always glad to hear from you. It's just that I get my hopes up. So many times it's led to nothing. I found nothing. It's like we live in a room and there's a poster on the wall.
Federal
We
Bureau
stare
of
at it
Control.
And we think that's the whole world. The room and the poster. The picture's something nice. A landscape, a famous person. Like in that movie. What is it called? The prison movie. The room's a cell, and the picture, it's different for each of us. It can be beautiful or terrible, but we're all transfixed. But it's all a lie. Something to distract us from the truth. They're lying to us. We're lying to ourselves. The room's not the world. The world is much bigger and much stranger. There's a hole hidden behind that poster that leads to the real world. We all feel safe in that room. But sometimes something crawls out from behind the poster. And the ones that see it happen freak out and try to forget what they saw. I'm here. Why did you bring me here? Hello?
Okay. Okay, so start na tayo guys. Sa Control. X. Prohibited items reminder. Okay, so dito pala guys mag-i-start ang ating gameplay sa building na to sa Federal Bureau of Control.
This seal. I saw it a long time ago.
So parang meron siyang alaala or panaginip na nagko-connect dito sa building na to. Tsaka napansin ko guys, walang tao. Para siyang abandonadong building guys. So okay.
Federal Bureau of Control.
Yun.
All these years I've been looking for them and they were hiding in plain sight.
So parang merong misteryong nababalot dito sa building na to guys. May tao. May boses ako naririnig guys.
Hello?
Ay, ito may naglilinis.
Excuse me.
There you are. You are here about the job. Janitor's assistant. You need to go to the interview. Go that way to the elevator.
Thanks. Elevator that way. Got it.
Very good. I'm Ahti, the janitor, by the way. You'll work for me. You can say I sent you. If they don't hajoa niitä johan on helvetti. There be work for the axe. Take them behind the sauna, jumalauta.
I've done enough night shift loner jobs to know it
Okay,
makes
so
us go
akala
weird.
ni Bossing
I'll see the
mag-apply tayo
janitor
ng
as a friendly face in my book.
trabaho, no?
Somebody with no face at all.
So nakapagtaka, walang tao,
Think
pero
about it.
nandito pa rin
No
siya.
face.
But that said, I know what you're thinking. If there's an axe murderer around, that's him.
Okay, so parang siya pala yung pinaghihinalaan nito ni ate na murderer dito sa building na to, guys. Tayo saan tayo? Elevator.
The cell.
Welcome to
And
the
the
oldest
poster.
house.
I was
Proceed
11
deeper
years old
into
the
the
first time I
bureau.
saw behind the poster. They told me I imagined it. I've been trying to pull it down ever since. Will you help?
Okay, so parang nasa pa lang tayo, guys. Intro pala. So parang hindi siya horror game. Para siyang mystery game na parang may kaunting Resident Evil vibe. Parang
Did I
ganun.
lose you there for a moment? You know what's on my mind. My baby brother, Dylan. 17 years since the men of this bureau took him.
That? What the hell is that?
Shit. Shit. You want me to pick it up? The murder weapon? Really?
Okay, so meron ditong naitumba, guys.
And there goes the poster.
Objects of power can cause or be results of AWE's altered world events, intrusions upon the perceived reality. Now, the service weapon is, of course, a prime example of an OOP, a very powerful one. Ingrained in the Bureau's DNA, a key component in our prime candidate program. Come out of that Russian roulette a winner and you're it.
Look at this place.
Okay, so napunta tayo, guys, sa parang misteryosong lugar na ito. Ano bang nangyayari dito? Parang nasa maze tayo ngayon, guys. Okay, so may alien dun. Meli. Okay. Ang baril natin.
Okay. Now I have a gun.
Okay, so parang rechargeable yung baril natin, guys. So, pwede mong barilin, pwede ring melee. Uy, may kalaban pala. Pag naubusan ka ng bala, pwedeng na lang, melee na lang. Meron pa. Yun. So, pansin ko rin guys, solid yung graphics. Tsaka yung gameplay niya sobrang smooth sa Steam Deck natin. So, pwede lang tumalaro guys sa Steam Deck. And then, meron po tayong Steam Deck, LCD version, tsaka yung OLED version. Gamit ko guys yung OLED version na yan. So, pag nag-avail kayo guys, pwede ko kayong sendan ng game list para makapili kayo ng games na nalagay natin. Tapos, pwedeng meet up, yan, Lalamove, LBC. Kapag nasa abroad kayo, pwede rin DHL. Kasi may mga iba na rin ako naging client from Taiwan, Saudi, Japan, South Korea. Ayan. Ano po, DHL. Mabilis lang din, nasa lang, 3 to 4 days. Receipt na. Okay, tuloy tayo guys. Toggle map.
Things have quieted down outside.
Okay, so may nangyari talagang kakaiba sa building na to guys.
You can't let this happen. 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 You can't let this happen.
Hindi ko alam kung yung building yung may problema o yung sa pag-iisip na niya or meron siyang napuntahan dati na parang hindi niya malala. Parang ganun eh. Parang ganun yung gameplay niya. Okay, so battle ulit tayo guys. So dito may mga baril na yung kalaban natin. Dapat mag-charge siya. Okay, so tayo dadaan dito. Dodge tayo dito. Meron pa.
Dead man. Okay.
Ang kulit may nakalutang no? So yung gameplay niya hindi naman ganun kahirap, pero siguro hindi ko alam kung may mga rito, boss fight o pahirap siya ng pahirap. Yun. Energy recovery. Okay. So, ang ating next destination ay sa tayo ng mapa. So, doon tayo pupunta malamang sa may question mark. Hindi ako nagkakamali. Central Executive.
The hiss burrowing into everything in this place. Is the hiss your enemy? All right, it's our enemy.
Okay, battle ulit tayo rito. Makunat yung isa na yun ah. So dito baka meron din mga ano, mga boss fight. Tingnan natin.
Cleanse the control point. What does that mean? Help me fix
Cleanse
it.
the control point. Okay, so parang inayos natin, parang ganun.
Holy shit.
Speak with the voice on the same intercom.
Hello? Can you hear me? Are you with us? With the Bureau?
Nasaan ka ba, ate?
Are you still
Ayun.
sane?
I can't tell you how happy I am to talk to somebody sane.
The feeling's mutual. Yeah, I'm Pope, Emily Pope, Dr. Darling's assistant.
My turn. Should I lie?
Jesse Faden. I'm just visiting.
I should have lied.
Oh, shit. You're the new director. Hold on. We're coming out.
Director Faden.
Call me Jesse.
Okay, Jesse. I'm Emily. Look, somehow this hostile force, this
Nasa
hiss,
katawan niya, parang.
that works. Somehow the hiss managed to infiltrate the building without any warning.
And just like that, my name for it is official. The hiss. Like the sound of poison gas leaking in.
We're in full lockdown. It seems to have spread everywhere and to everyone not protected by an HRA. And, extraordinarily, you. You are the director, and that makes you special by definition. Trench is no longer the director, obviously. I'm sorry, I'm talking too much. This whole situation is just a lot.
Trench is dead. Shot.
Ah,
I found his body. And the gun.
Do I tell her it looked like a suicide?
the service weapon.
Also, and this can sound crazy, but he keeps appearing to me, saying things. It's hard to make out, but he told me to cleanse the control point, push the hiss out. The whole room shifted around.
You did that? And you entered the building when it was already in the lockdown, before you became the new director? How?
I'm not ready to tell her about you yet.
A janitor let me in.
I love it. This is fucking unbelievable. I can't even... Look, Jesse, I have a million questions, and you probably have a million more.
Like, do you know my brother Dylan? Not yet.
But there's something I need to ask you to do first. If you can cleanse a control point, then you can maybe cure those infected or possessed by the hiss. Because if that's possible, our options
Okay, so yung mga
are
nakalutang pala
very
guys, mga
different.
process pala yung mga infected
Emily
ng
Pope.
infected
I
ng
don't know her, but I like her already. She's the opposite of the faceless agency I've blamed for what happened to me for so long. But I can't trust her yet. Or rather, the Bureau she's a part of.
Yes. I can try.
I'm speaking for you, of course. We can try it together. Okay. You with me? We did it before.
Okay, so cleanse to natin to, guys. Yata gumana.
The hiss has burrowed
Speak
too
with
deep.
Emily Pope.
Ripping it out rips them apart.
Jesse, over here. We need to make a plan, Jesse.
Si ate. Pala.
I can't cleanse them.
I saw. It was worth a shot. Thank you, Director. Jesse.
I'm gonna tell her why I'm here. I'll risk it.
Listen, the Bureau was involved in an incident in my hometown, Ordinary, 17 years ago. The Bureau came in and covered the whole thing up. I've been looking for this place for a long time.
That's enough. Maybe that's too much already. I can't tell her about Dylan and the rest yet.
I've seen mentions of an Altered World event case dealing with Ordinary. You were at Ground Zero as a child? It was one of the big ones, and before my time. And very classified. I can try to dig out some old files for you. My boss, Casper Darling, would know, but he's missing. I think he knew this was coming, or suspected. He came up with the HRAs, the Hedron Resonance Amplifiers. I think they're what saved us. Or a few of us. And Director Trench would know.
Trench, the ghost, or whatever he is, he mentioned something called the Hotline. Said I should find it.
It's another object of power, like the gun, an old Bakelite telephone. A direct line of communication between the Director and the board. Maybe he can talk to you more clearly through that. I mean, Trench has years and years of experience. He might know how to destroy the hiss.
Where is the hotline?
It's kept in the communications department through the mailroom. It's part of this sector, so we can access it even with the lockdown in place. We'll get the door open for you.
Okay, that's my next stop.
That's Tomasi's department. He's the head of communications. I don't think he had an HRA. He kind of made a point about not wearing one earlier. Keep an eye out.
They call me the Director. But that's not me. I'm not a director type. I'm not a leader. Why am I here? I think you already know. Yes, I came for my brother, but there are other reasons too. I said I was looking for answers, but I might never understand them. I'm not looking for proof. This is already it. More than enough. No matter what they told me all those years, I know it's real now. I didn't imagine this. I want to be a part of this world. What scares me shitless is that I finally found it. Only to see the hiss destroy it all.
Telepono. May matawag. Okay. Ano ang ating new mission, unknown caller?
The door to the comms department is just outside the boardroom back in the lobby. They should have gotten it open by now. Just let me know.
Ayun pala.
There it is again. Our welcome message.
Saan pa? Aw. Saan na yun? Ayun. Meron dito.
Yes, it's overpowering here. You don't want me anywhere near it. With you on that.
How about you? Oh. Okay, so dun tayo sa may question mark. Dead letters. Nakunat yun ah. So maganda sana kung pwede mo siyang gawing first person. Pero okay din naman ako sa mga ganito, third person. Maganda lang sana kapag may mga ganitong mga shooting game is may option ng first person tsaka third. And saan tayo? Navigate to the communications department. Saan tayo? Ba yun? Hindi, dito ako galing kanina. So, try natin dumiretso dito sa taas. Dito rin pala yun. So, pwede rin tayo mag-fast travel. Pwede tayo magbalik-balik dun sa if ever meron tayong kailangan balikan.
communications. We're on the right track.
Okay.
An object of power. Looks like the place is latched on.
Hop.
We need to cleanse it.
Meron. Oh. So po, ano man tao? Hindi naman siya ano. Para lang siyang energy. Energy talaga. So, Aray. Tayo sa taas. Okay, so yun siya. So, isa pala siyang ano guys, disket. Isa siyang may wagang disket. Floppy disk pala. Tama. Joke lang yung disket. Pero ano pala siya. Isa pala siyang floppy disk.
To hear you when I'm here. It's like the channel's been changed. The board's in charge here. They're pyramids in Bureau Seal. Are they really the ones pulling the strings? I'm not their director. I'm no one's director.
Hold RB. Okay, so na-upgrade guys yung ating skill. Nakapagana na tayo. Tawag sa ganyan. Nakalimutan ko tawag. Nakakapagpaangal ka ng mga bagay, nakakapagpakit. Kinesis, ano ba yun? Nakalimutan ko. Pyrokinesis, di ko alam. Basta may kinesis yun eh. Telekinesis. Pyrokinesis. Telekinesis. Ano sinasabi ko? Ayun, meron pala tayong telekinesis.
You were gone. Cut off.
Okay, diretso tayo. May kailangan
Just
pa
like you
doon.
wanted, right? This will help me fight the hiss.
Oy, Ay. Ang bangko. Malaki to. Ano ba? Okay, wala. Meron pa.
Emily said that the hotline can be reached through the mailroom.
So, kaya para siya control. So, kaya niya control guys ng mga bagay-bagay. Wala ba? Ay. Di pa din.
Maybe there's a key nearby.
Ano ba yung susi? Nakakuha natin. Okay, so yun na nga. Oops. Zombie.
They can fly now.
Okay, so parang boss fight siya guys. Alam mo, hindi pa doon nakaka-ilog. Sa pool. Oh. Oy, patay. Yari tayo. Ang buhay. Konti na lang siya. Ayun. Daya nakatakas guys. Hindi na tayo na.
I have a feeling he'll be back.
Okay, so diyan ko muna tatapusin guys ang ating gameplay ng ating laro, which is si Control. So available to guys sa Steam Deck. So wala pang Steam Deck, available sa atin guys. Free games na po. Tapos pwede tayong meet up Lalamove. LBC or nasa abroad kayo, DHL. So yun lang guys, thank you for watching and happy gaming. Peace.